Hi, thank you for joining me today. I'm having mussels for my birthday. I'm also pairing it with some shin ramen noodles on the side. So we've been celebrating all week this week, so I'll, I'll have to update you guys with everything that we do. So I made the mussels today with my butter sauce. I did do my butter sauce different. Put onions in it today. And an extra lemon. I was craving ramen as well, so I made some ramen noodles. Just some shin ramen. Well, thank you for coming by to celebrate my birthday with me. I've been keeping it very simple this year. My husband did a last minute barbecue with some friends and family. Just some karaoke and barbecue. Spent the day with my mother-in-law as well, which is my favorite. She spoils me. And then just spending the days with the girls, having one-on-one time with them. Cousin Ozu came to spend the weekend with us too. Ooh. My husband's been super sweet as well. He's been very helpful around the house. Ooh. Ooh, sorry. Ooh. I could have gone a little spicier. Yeah, he's been very helpful. Things have been going very good. I've also been spending a lot of time in my garden lately. What I do want to update you on is my workout journey. I don't know. I mean, this week is better. Last week, I struggled. I didn't do much last week, but this week I'm sticking to it. Trying to. I don't know. I'm trying. Oh, come on. My workouts are mainly Pilates. I don't want to do too much, like, again, I'm still getting into the rhythm of it. So I'm easing myself in. I don't know. If you guys have any pointers, let me know. I'm just doing it to stay healthy. I'm not trying to go crazy weight loss journey. I just want to get active, get my bones and my muscles moving. I have a lot of like muscle soreness, but it's not from like working out, it's from like not working out and moving around, if you know what I mean. That's a big reason why I don't want to do anything too intense. I've been having a lot of like lower back pain. I think my sauce last time was better. Did I put coconut? No. Did I put coconut? I don't think I'm ever consistent with my sauce. It just all depends on what I'm in the mood for and what I have in the fridge. Like today I had an extra onion that we had. I figured I might as well use it. But it's still good. I'm getting full though. I think I made more than I could eat. I can eat this later. I mean, that is something that I've been really trying to work on too, is my meal portions. That has been working. I mean that's been helping. The smaller meal portions are helping me not feel so bloated. Sorry, I got Dr. Pepper today. I feel happy that you're here to enjoy a little update with me and to stop by and have lunch with me for my birthday. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.